Luke, it's all right. You're being such a good boy, aren't you? You got dirt on your face. There's a stick on your face. How did that happen? Y'all ready?
There's a stick on his butt.
Y'all ready?
Hi, Poppy.
All right, we gotta sing happy. We gotta sing happy birthday.
I can't see their faces though, unless Brian comes stands like right.
No, I mean it's just gonna happen. Someone's gonna get up, and we're gonna say that's the win. We don't have to catch it exactly.
Nope, stay.
You ready? We're gonna sing happy birthday. Happy birthday
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear doggos. Happy birthday to you.
Are you ready? Come here. Come here. Look. No. Whoever can get, it doesn't matter what dog. Just
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
You ready? Sit. 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 Good dog. You ready? You ready, Mikey? We're just
Yep.
gonna do it. Yep. 1, 2, 3, go. Easy boy. Easy boy.
She's looking for icing. He tried to swallow it whole.
Luke, get it. Come on, Luke. Don't let me down, Luke. No, Luke! Here's the boy.
Mom, Lily's trying to lick the cupcake.
You sure? You can have it. It's all good.
Come on, Badger, go! Badger, get it!
Yeah, sure. Cupcake. Good boy.
The icing stuck to the chocolate.
Oh, I think Luke's about to win right now.
Good boy.
I
told you Luke was the winner.
Luke wins. That's easy. No contest. Look at that. Poppy's got.
Are about the icing.
Yeah, they're just like, oh, look, yeah, Badger. And Lily just finished. Oh, no, Lily's still working too. Luke's just like, this is my last food ever.